Hello students, topic for today's class is multiplication by single number. First of all, let's understand some basic points about multiplication. Students, always remember that whenever a number is multiplied by 0, the result is always 0. You can see in the example that 45 when multiplied by 0 gives the result 0. 206 when multiplied by 0 gives the result 0. This 4-digit number when multiplied by 0 gives the result 0. So you can understand that any number when multiplied by 0 always gives the answer 0. Now let's see what happens when a number is multiplied by 10. Here 28 when multiplied by 10 gives the answer 280 and 483 when multiplied by 10 gives the answer 4830. Clearly you can see 1 0 is added to the right side of the number which is to be multiplied by 10. When a number is multiplied by 100, 2 zeros are added to the right of that number and it becomes answer. Here 28 when multiplied by 100 gives 2800 and 483 when multiplied by 100 gives 48300. So 2 zeros are added to the right side. Continuing with the same trend, a number when multiplied by 1000, 3 zeros are added to the right of the answer. So here 28 multiplied by 1000 gives 28000 and 483 multiplied by 1000 gives 483000. In this table, you can clearly see as the number of zeros increase on the left side of the equal to sign, the number of zeros on the right side of the equal to sign increase in the same ratio. Now let us see the situation where two non-zero numbers are multiplied. Solving this type of sum involves only reading the table. You can either read the table of 4 5 times or table of 5 4 times. It will give the result 20. In this sum, first we need to write the sum in the proper format so that it becomes easy to solve. Now we will read the table of 4 3 times. So we will get 12. 2 will be written at one's place and 1 will be carried on to the next place. Now read the table of 4 5 times. It will give 20. Now the carryover 1 will be added to 20 so that answer becomes 21. The final answer is 212. In the next example, first we will write the sum in the proper format. We will read the table of 6 5 times. It will give 30. 0 will be written at the ones place of the answer and 3 will be carried over to the tens place of the question. Reading the table of 6 7 times gives 42. 3 will be added to 42, so it becomes 45. The final answer is 450. First, we will write the next example in proper format. Then we will read the table of 7 8 times. It gives 56. 6 is written at the ones place and 5 is carried over to the tens place of the question. Now read the table of 7 0 times. It will give 0 and 5 will be added to 0. It will give the answer 5. So 5 is written at the tens place of the answer and then 7 is multiplied by 1. It will give 7 which is written at the hundreds place of the answer. So the answer is 756. Students, for solving the multiplication sums quickly, you must know the tables. So revise the tables at least from 2 to 10 every day. Links for the other mathematical topics of the primary class are given below in the description box.